Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to factory reset the Roborock Qrevo Edge 2. If you're interested in the Edge 2, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website, and our newly released robot vacuum comparison tool. So be sure to check out all those links in the description. So take a look, here's our vacuum right here. It's already powered on. We need to pop off the cover. And we need to get access to this little reset cover. It just pulls out of the way, and there's a tiny little reset button in there to the left of the USB-C port. So what we need to do is we need to press down this button and the home button at the same time. So we'll go ahead, we're going to press both of these together.
Restoring factory settings. This will take about 5 minutes.
And there we go. It gives us a prompt letting us know it's going to restore the factory settings. But basically, you press and hold down both. I did about 10-15 seconds, then I let go of the reset button, and I kept holding down the home button, and eventually the white light starts to blink and flicker. Then you're able to let go of the home button, and it's going to continue on with the factory reset. So again, hold down the reset button and the home button, give it at least a solid 10 seconds. Then you can let go of the reset button, keep holding down the home button until you see that flashing light or you hear the voice prompt. And then we can go ahead and we can pop the cover back on, and we can wait for that light to finish flickering and the reset process to complete.